All right, besties, so spring is coming, and when we very first moved into this townhouse, I looked out onto our balcony and I saw hummingbirds. And I think hummingbirds are some of the most magical, amazing creatures. So immediately I was like, oh, we have to take care of them. Oh, we're getting a hummingbird feeder. It was one of the very first purchases that we made here. And I have been doing it ever since. It has been quite the journey because they took that and ran with it. Literally, we have, I think, 2 to 3 nests at any given time, and they are constantly laying. I don't know, these hummingbirds are for the streets. They have turned our balcony into a NICU, and they don't really do it to me, but a lot of the times they will dive bomb our guests and even the kids. They will barely go out there now, and I'm like, girl, calm down. No one wants your babies. I feed you. Even when I'm grilling, they don't really dive bomb, but kinda. They'll come up and they'll cheep. Anyway, that's not the point. People have described me as like a Care Bear, like I'm a giant, loving, person. My agent would be like, he's like The Rock, but in the role of the Tooth Fairy, which very accurate. So I always take care of them, and spring is coming. And one of the things I do is I always have Nectar out there, especially when they're sitting and they are trying to lay eggs, because they're out there laying, sitting on the eggs for the entire season. Which I don't know what the season is because they're always out there. It's fine. I'm not stressing. So it's not fancy. Don't get fancy with your hummingbird nectar. It's literally a ratio of 1 to 4 or 1 to 3. You can play with it. On the winter months, it's a little bit more. In the summer, it's a little less because in the winter, there's less flowers available. So it's just white sugar, white domino, granulated sugar, the best of. Don't do like brown. Don't get fancy. This is what is recommended. Trust me, I called the wildlife. I'm that person. And then water. You just want to do again 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, depending on That's not going to hurt them. What you do want to make sure is that you are not adding anything else to this. And so you just want to make sure that's fully dissolved. I do this, and then I will add some cold water because they'll come right up to it. As soon as I'm out there, she starts buzzing. We have a tree right across the way. And as soon as I go out, they're like, hey, we hungry. Oh, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It's stained glass. She's a beaut. I wanted to make sure that it was pretty and aesthetic because it's going to be, it's on our balcony. So I'll pour that into there. I'll show you in just a second what it's like when it's all done. There she is, waiting for me. I don't know if you can see her, but yes, she's right there. She's like, hello. There's her nest. Well, one of them. There's another nest. Sorry, I feel like this glare is probably causing... Oh, there she is. Now you can see her better. There's your food, girl. All right, besties. Well, I hope that helps. If you have hummingbirds or you're thinking of taking care of hummingbirds, just read up on it. You don't want to hurt them. They are beautiful. They're magical when they're not defending their babies, which I get because I would fiercely defend my babies too. Anyway, I love you, and I'll FaceTime you soon.